brain is a computer, even greater. It has different parts, a part for happiness, a part for anger, a part for motivation, which you're gonna master today. A computer consumes power and sends it to parts. For example, if you don't run a game, the GPU will not start working. But sometimes you wanna start a game, but the GPU still doesn't work. Well, that's a problem. You try many different softwares, but you don't know it's about hardware. The GPU isn't getting power. Imagine your brain as a computer and the motivation part as the GPU. Your goal is to reach top mark in class and you try hard some days, but after a few days you get tired. And that's because you are feeding your GPU with batteries, not a direct power source. You know what are batteries? Motivational videos, setting rewards for yourself to do the job, cutting study hours to smaller portions. Well, all of them are just crap. In Iran, students go through 3 years of high school before taking a nationwide exam called concours. You will go to university according to your score. Higher score, better uni. I used to spend my days with making YouTube videos in the first 2 years of my high school, and I failed many of my exams. My parents, my friends, teachers thought I'm an idiot. Over time I reached the 3rd year and the concours exam was 9 months away. My classmates used to study hard for concours in the last 3 years and they were absolutely ready for that. And I had 9 months with no clue about those books. 3 months later, when I had only 6 months to study, my classmates started talking about who can reach those top universities. They were naming those who were top grades at class, and somebody named me, and all of them started laughing. I was humiliated because of my grades. From that day till next 6 months, I used to study 13 hours a day with no days off, and I didn't even get close to tiredness. After just 6 months of studying, I managed to get a better score than those who studied for 3 years, those who humiliated me. You know why? Because I had enemies and I was competing them. I didn't study that hard to go to uni. I just wanted to win them. The real fuel for your motivation is enemies, competitions, hate. Your brain is designed to work like that. Your ancestors' lives was depending on competitions about food, about shelter, about water. And that's your brain hack. You may ask, what if nobody mocks me? I say you mock them. You start the competition, you challenge them, you mock them and trigger them to compete with you. Start the competition. Then every time you want to try for a goal, you will have motivation. You won't get tired because nothing is sweeter than winning a competition to your brain. So brain forces you, motivates you, makes you think about losing, and eventually you will get it.